Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be a recipe slash trying out a recipe video. We are going to be making cinnamon swirl pancakes and they've got icing on them. Are you excited to make them?
Yeah.
That is what we're going to be doing. We've never made this recipe before, but I thought we would try it out together and see how they come out. Of course, I will leave the recipe in the description, so if you want to try out this recipe, then it is down there for you. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is get all the ingredients ready. We are also going to be making half of the recipe that it tells you to, because it's only me and the kids that eat this kind of stuff. So we are going to be doing half.
But some days I help Mummy cook.
Yes, you do. You're a very good helper. Thank you.
Yeah, and the other day we make pizzas together.
Yes, we did. So the first thing we're going to do is make the cinnamon filling, which is just cinnamon, light brown sugar and some butter, which I have here. First thing we're going to do is measure out half the amounts of this into a bowl and mix that all up together. Three tablespoons of light brown sugar. So 1, 2,
3.
Let's put the last ingredient, which is cinnamon. So we need to get, we'll use 1 teaspoon of this. It does say to melt the butter, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to mix it a lot so that it kind of melts into the sugar and cinnamon. So I'm going to do that. So I decided to put it in the microwave for 10 seconds, and this is what it's looking like. It's kind of a little bit more melted, so this is the kind of consistency I'm looking for, and it's really nice and soft. Frosting and the cinnamon sugar is all done, I'm going to make the pancake recipe and then we will fry them. Made the pancake batter. I actually added 2 more teaspoons of flour because it was really runny, so I just wanted to make it a little bit thicker so that it pours better. So now I'm going to put my pan on and just prepare this sugar in a little baggie, and I will show you what I'm doing. I'm going to be lazy and use butter, which I haven't melted. Just put it onto a tissue and I'm going to rub it onto the pan to make it not stick. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Also going to use an ice cream scoop to measure out my mix so that it's nice and even when I make the pancakes. I've put my sugar into here and I cut off the tiniest bit. I don't know if it's enough, but once I start doing the pancakes then I will know. So I've done that, and that's just going to stay in this glass so it doesn't leak everywhere on the side. So when my pancakes are ready I can add that. So now I'm going to start doing the pancakes. How exciting! Pancakes are starting to cook, and it says once they start to bubble on the top, then add this, which I'm going to do. So once they start bubbling, I'm going to do that. So this is the finished product of the video, and oh my gosh, they look so delicious. I cannot wait to try it. So let me try it and I'll tell you if you should make them or not. These are the best pancakes that I've ever made. I'm not even gonna lie. You need to go and try this recipe because it is amazing. The link will be down in the description if you want to go and try it. But thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to go and enjoy this. This is how I have set up the kids ones. I've literally just put one on the plate and then put some icing on top. But yeah, that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in my next one. Bye!